Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to YLOC 4th grade, lesson 2. So let's get started. Alright, so first we're going to be learning to compare the numbers. So yeah, right. So for number 1, it says 3,293 and 3,392. So over here, the first digit is the same, which is a thousands place. So 3 and 3 are the same, but then in the hundreds place, it says 3,293, while it says 3,392. So we know the second number is greater, so we'll put a less than sign, because the first number is less than the second number, so we'll have to put the less than sign. Our number 2, 929 and 920. Well, 929 is greater than 920. Our number 3, 9,192 and 10,290. So 10,290 goes to the 10,000s place, so we know it's greater. So it'll be 9,192 is less than. Alright, number 4, 254,908 and 254,908. Well, they're the same numbers, so we'll put equal to. Alright, 5 through 8, actually not, I'll do 8 with you guys. So 5 through 7 you guys could try on your own, and number 8, 290,302 and 290,303. So it's almost the same except for the last digit, where 290,303 is greater by 1. So we'll put 290,302 is less than 290,303. Alright, next section. This is right equivalent or not equivalent. Alright. So we have 153,890 and 153,890. So yeah, we could tell that they are equivalent. Alright, sorry if my handwriting is bad. But yeah. Our number 2. 2 million plus 400,000 plus 50,000 plus 600 plus 7. Alright, let's change this to standard form. So it'll be 2,450,607. And we can see that these two numbers are not equivalent, so I'll just put no. Alright, number 3, 38,049 and 30 million plus 8 million plus 400 plus 9. This one, you guys could try it on your own. Alright, next section. Find the digits that will make the comparison true. Alright, so for number 1, we have 9 underscore or 9 blank 292 is less than 9,292. So we see all the digits are the same except for that missing digit. So we need to make it less than 2. So how do we make it less than 2? It needs to be any digit lower than 2. So any possible answers are 91,000 or 90,000. Alright, number 2, 84 million 41 blank 811 is greater than 84,413,604. So it's greater than, and we see that the last 3 digits are greater than 604. So the missing digit could be anything from 3 to 9. Because even if it's 3, 84,413,811 is greater than 84,413,604. So yeah. Alright, number 3 and 4 you guys could try on your own. Next, order from greatest to least. So you have 16,432, 16,905, and 7,906. So number 1 will be 16,905. Number 2 will be 16,432, and number 3 will be 7,906. Number 2, we have 119,234, 119,819, and 1,119,080. So we already know that the 1 million is number 1. Now for number 2, it will be this one, and number 3 will be this one. Alright, number 3, you guys could try it on your own. And next, round to the bolded digit. So we're trying to round to 9. So how we round is if the number behind it is greater than 5. So if it's greater than 5, we will round up. But if it's less than 5, we will round down. So if it's 5, we will still round up. So I should put greater than or equal to 5. Alright, so for number 1, we have 98,586. We're trying to round to the 10,000th place. So we look at the digit behind it and we see a 8. And 8 is greater than 5. So we'll round. So then 9, we'll add 1 to 9. So it'll be 10,000. Alright, number 2, we round to the 4. And the 100th place, which is a 4. And the 10th place is a 0, so it's less than 5. So we will be rounding down, so it'll be 167,400. Alright, number 3, 1,247,493. So for number 3, we'll be rounding to the 100,000th place. So we look at the 10,000th place to see if it's greater than or equal to 5, but it's 4, so it's less than 5. So we'll be rounding down, so it'll be 1,200,000. Alright, these 3 problems you guys could try on your own. Should be pretty easy. And next we'll be doing word problems. Alright, so first we have Joshua, Neil, Christian, and Ved compared their total season points for Whitney basketball. Joshua scored a total of 934 points, Neil scored 890, Christian scored 923, and Ved scored a total of 1,019 points. Order the names from most points scored to least. So we could tell that Ved scored the most with 1,019, so we'll put V first. And then we see Joshua scored the next most with 930, then Christian with 923, and finally Neil with 890. Alright. B. Round Ved's total point to the nearest tens place. You guys could try that on your own. And number 2, TK listened for a total of 59,831 hours on Spotify. JP listened for a total of 67,676 hours, and Robinson listened for a total of 64,867 hours. Order the names from most hours listened to least. Alright. So we could tell that JP listened the most. So we'll put JP. Then we see Robinson. And finally, we see TK listen to the least. Alright, B. What is the difference between JP's hours and TK's hours? And this one, oh, my bad. This one you guys could try on your own. So yeah, that's it for today. Make sure to try the problems that I asked for you guys to try on your own. And yeah, that's it for lesson 2, and see you guys next week.